Hello, my name is Carson Cox, and in this video I will be talking about different smart building skin systems. A smart building skin system is defined as a building envelope that adapts to environmental conditions. These can include the following: BMS, BAS, renewable resources, passive design, sensors, intelligent skins, or smart materials. Each system is designed for a specific need or purpose. Some overall benefits of skin systems are reduced energy consumption, improved building efficiency, predictive maintenance, increased productivity, and better use of resources. The first skin system uses algae to convert sunlight into heat and biomass, generating heat and hot water for the building. This saves money and energy while also providing shade during the daylight. This was created in Hamburg, Germany in 2013 as a pilot test. The building was home to 15 residential units, which the algae was able to supply around one-third of the heat demanded for all of the residents. The energy generated can also be stored for later use, where little energy is lost during this storage. There is no extra land used in order to create this energy, and weather conditions are not detrimental to the building's effects. Since algae are feeding on carbon, this also benefits the environment. Carbon is being taken out of the environment, lowering carbon emissions and contributing to the stop of global warming. The second skin system was designed to help make some of the most extreme weather conditions bearable. By using a computer-generated simulation of the path of the sun, a sequence of movements for a facade outside of a building was created to lower heat gain and glare. This system was based on a traditional Islamic shading device called a mashrabiyah. This is not only a functional architectural element, but also has a spiritual aspect, which was incorporated into the smart skin system that was designed. The triangles that are a part of the system will fold at nighttime. In the morning, they will begin to close, and as the day continues, it will move with the sun, as shown by this picture. An estimated 50% of solar gain was reduced by this system. The two twin buildings saved energy by not having to use the air conditioning as much. Additionally, because the triangles provide a natural shading, there were more options for the designers to choose from when determining the type of glass finish on the building. A quote from Eidos, the designers of this building, says that a computer system uses a parametric description of the geometry of the actuated facade panels to simulate their operation in response to the sun exposure and changing angles during the different days of the year. The computer system controls the curtain wall, which is just outside of the building and not structurally attached to that of the building. One of the major problems facing Mexico City is that it is considered one of the worst cities in the world in regards to the amount of pollution and smog that is in the air. In an effort to solve this problem, the Torre de Especialidades is a hospital in Mexico City. They've decided to put up a facade in order to transform air pollutants into harmless chemicals. The system uses a tile invented by Elegant Embellishments called ProSolve 370E. The facade is estimated to neutralize the chemicals produced by 8,750 cars every day. The reason this system works is due to the paint that is on the facade, which is made from a titanium dioxide-based pigment. This pigment triggers a chemical reaction when sunlight reaches it, between the tiles and the harmful smog. This reaction turns the harmful smog into safer chemicals, such as water, carbon dioxide, and calcium nitrate. And the reason this system was designed to be in a lattice-like shape was because it makes the winds go at a slower speed, creating turbulence, and this makes the pollutants be distributed evenly across the surfaces, so that way it touches more of the paint pigment, ultimately resulting in the smog being converted into less harmful chemicals. The placement of the facade over the windows also helps create shadows and a covering for the building, reducing the cost spent on air conditioning and overall energy. The main reason this was created was to try and reduce and eliminate all of the air pollution in Mexico City. This facade could be implemented in other major cities that are also experiencing the same problem. This design does not take up any land space in the city while also still being visually pleasing. Overall, this project allowed me to learn why smart building skin systems were created and implemented, and a lot of it depended on their specific situational needs and the type of building and its location. Some were created for the purpose of saving money and energy, while others looked to benefit air quality for a city. Despite being designed for different purposes, they all share some similarities with one another. Thank you for this time and opportunity to learn more about smart building skin systems.